Come on, Tula, come out already.
No.
I'm sure Pakito is just fine. The veterinarian is very good.
I said no.
I would like to go too, but grown-up decided we should wait at home.
You liar. You hated Pakito. I'm sure you don't even care.
That is not true. Deep down inside, I care for him. Well, way deep down.
Hey.
Hey, it was just a joke. Don't get like that. I've got it, Tula. Why don't we make a project for Pakito?
Would you really do that?
Of course I would. Kito's my mascot too, and I really care about him.
And what can we make for him?
Let me think about it. I know. Some crutches for a hamster. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Tula, it was a joke.
Well, it wasn't very funny.
All right. Let's make him a fantastic bouquet of flowers.
I think that's wonderful.
Let's look at the materials we're gonna use. Colored clay.
A rolling pin.
Latex.
A paintbrush.
Plastic knife.
I hope Pakito's all right. If not, I'll be sad.
But they just have to give him an injection. Dino would never get scared like that.
It doesn't go for you, though. The scandal you made in school when they gave us that checkup.
Because that nurse was looking at me funny. She wanted to give me this huge injection.
You exaggerate so much.
Don't you remember? Nobody in the class wanted to get that shot.
Well, it was a little big, to be honest, but it wasn't that big.
That nurse was an alien who came to find the secrets of Super Telmo.
Whatever you say, Telmo. Let's begin with the first thing we have to do. We get some green clay and we make it long and thin into a tube in order to make the stop. We use the rolling pin to roll out some of the red clay until it's in a rectangle. We do the same thing to the white clay. We place one piece on top of the other and we roll them together to make the bud of a flower. Can you imagine us as hamsters?
We'd play all day and eat seeds.
You're a super large Pakito. Are you hungry, big Pakito? Let me see what I have here. A giant sunflower seed. Yum, 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 yum. Telmo, what if Pakito finds a girlfriend in the clinic?
We would call her Dina.
Dina? Don't you think Dino would be upset?
Without a doubt. She could be Dino's friend and she could protect him from Pakito.
And if Dino had a girlfriend, would you name her Pakito?
Tula, come on. Her name would be Super Dina.
We should decide this while we go over the next step in the project. We stick the stalk inside of the bud, smashing it a little bit so that both pieces stick together. We roll out a piece of green clay with the rolling pin and we cut out a triangle with the knife. We wrap the bases of the bud with the green triangle.
Look, Tula, I'm operating on Pakito.
Telmo, that's not funny.
Great Dr. Telmo, hamster specialist, opens up his patients in an operation that means life or death.
Telmo, that's enough. They just gave Pakito a shot.
What if there are complications?
Is that why grown-ups didn't want us to go with him?
Tula, it's best that we prepare ourselves for the worst. Maybe they have shaved Pakito.
I don't want that. Pakito is fine. I can feel it. Would you like it if I said that about Dino?
Don't you stick Dino in this.
I just want to help you. I just want to prepare you for the day when Dino doesn't have any hair. Come on, Telmo. Wasn't that serious?
Of course it was. I can't stand the idea of something happening to Dino.
What do you want to happen to him?
Dino is fantastic. He's like no other. I know nothing can happen to him.
Well, then come down because we need to finish our flower project.
Well, alright, Tula, I'll forget this time. But don't insinuate that again.
Alright, Telmo, but you don't have to get like that. It was just a little joke.
You know What if we head down to the vet's office and rescue Pakito?
But Grona must be on his way back already.
We don't know that. Maybe he went to the pet shop to buy another Pakito.
You've got a point. Let's initiate Operation Save Our Pakito.
Dino is coming with us. We need all the help we can get.
That's a good idea. I'll take the calculator and a ruler and a pencil.
I'll take my super cape, the markers, the game magazine, the sandwich we have as a snack.
Telmo, do you have the keys to the house?
No, I thought you had them. This was the shortest rescue mission in history.
Well then, let's go over the last part of our project. We create 2 leaves with green clay and we stick them to the stalk. We glaze the flower with latex or glaze so that it hardens and it doesn't break. Once the latex is dry, we can bring all the flowers together and make a pretty bouquet. Grown up, where's Pakito?
Come on, grown-up, tell us where Pakito is.
Don't do this to us, grown up.
Tell us that Pakito still has hair.
Pakito! We miss you so much, including Telmo.
Okay, all right, just a little bit. It's not like I missed him that much.
Look, Pakito, we made these flowers for you.
Aren't they wonderful?
Pakito!
No doubt about it, this is our Pakito.
Grown up, was Pakito